Hi. It's Wednesday, 18th of May 2022, and the time is 7 past 3, 7 hours, and I'm about to have my plant-based burger. So I got yesterday from Big the last packet of Beyond Burger. So that's it, and I've got from Eon some burger buns. So I've toasted the burger buns on the left here and cooked the Beyond Burger. So I cooked it at 175 or so for 3 minutes on one side. Then I flipped it over and gave it another 4 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And besides the bun and the burger, I'm going to put this, which is shredded cabbage and shredded fresh basil and some fresh mint leaves. And I made this sauce, which is some balsamic vinegar mixed with these leftover what do you call it, sauce that I made for my carrot and broccoli dish a few days ago. Okay, so I won't go into it, but what I did was, because it was a bit thick and it was in the fridge and sort of dried up, so I added some balsamic vinegar and give it a good stir. Okay, so I'm going to assemble it now and enjoy my lunch for today. Got a little bit of my pineapple and grapefruit smoothie to eat my meal with. Okay, see you next time. Bye.